Hello guys, welcome back to Monster Skull P2 Gaming. How are you today guys? I hope you all are good. So, we have only 4 animals because Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on our farm we have all of the farm animals, E-I-E-I-O, and we're going to no fark because the tsunami will be here soon. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now, without further ado, let's start the race. This is rough. Here, just in case. Rivals. Now they have to go now. Yeah, the time is running, guys. Soon. They'll have to run, walk, tour to the Noah's Ark. Come on, boys, move. Come on, move, you farm animals. Come on, farm animals. You're gonna be late. You're gonna die if you don't hurry. Oh, the farm animals will have to hurry if they don't hurry. The farm animals are gonna die from the tsunami if they don't hurry. Donkey, you're not pirate. You're just a donkey. That's right, farm animals. Couldn't get your treat. That's it. That's enough now. That's enough. But wait, we almost forgot about cows. The bulls are like, ooh, I hope the cows hurry because I want them to drown. Don't eat bulls. The cows are here. The bull said, oh, I'm so happy that the cows are here. Moo! We have some horses. Here they are, the horses. Come on! You're gonna be late if you don't hurry. Come on, my horse. You're gonna be late. Come on. Animals, you're not pirates. You're just furries that got wet. Not no wet. He said, okay. Good. Next. The camels are next. I hope they hurry. Nervous. A camel. Excellent. Camel, yes. An ostrich, yes. And oh, I almost forgot about pumpkin. This means more animals from the farm will come. Especially those camels. Chop camels, you made it. Chop. And the ostriches too. That's right. Just run your way in. Noah's Ark will be flowing in a jiffy. Now, both the animals will have a place to live. Now, all the farm animals. Where are they? Oh yeah, the bulls. Oh yeah, the bulls. Right, brown bulls. Right, bulls. We're going to the Noah's Ark now. You're gonna be late if you don't hurry. You only have 5 minutes to get on the Noah's Ark. Come on, you only have 5 minutes to get on the Noah's Ark. The Tsunami is gonna be here soon. That's right, Moo and Boo. Just run your way in. Right, Moo and Cow. I know red means stop, but green means go. And call means stop, and green means go. Now all the farm animals are safe now, guys. Because the great flood will not drown them all. Now on Campbell, it's a struggling to get on the Noah's Ark. And I think all the four animals that are struggling to get on the Noah's Ark will be eliminated, guys. Because they're just standing here alone. Hey Cow, what's up? You wanna be going to the Noah's Ark? Okay. Oh yes! Run your way in! You're gonna be there faster! You're gonna be there faster! Come on, Gal! You're gonna drown if you don't hurry! You're gonna drown if you don't hurry! Come on, Gal! Excellent choice! Oh! You can't be using piracy accents again! Oh, this is freaking meow being piracy. So wild boars can be found in the farm. Okay, so make your way in, wild boars. I have to name the wild boars as pigs because survival craft 2 doesn't have any pigs. So that will have to do. So that will have to do. I think both the four animals that are struggling to get on the Noah's Ark will be eliminated, guys, because Merchants ran it in the Noah's Ark, guys. And the rest of the farm animals here. Come on, farm animals, you have to go faster. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you're way to get on the Noah's Ark. Now let's close the door. Yeah, all the farm animals that struggle to get on the Noah's Ark are too late. Because of this, time is up, farm animals. You all are too late to get on the Noah's Ark. Because of this, all of you are gonna drown from a tsunami. So, it's time for the tsunami to come. Oh, watch out! Everything, cause they're in water, guys. Because of everything under the water, guys. Because of this. Let's check if the four animals are okay. I hope they're okay. Wow, we are so made for animals to save their lives. Wow, this is so happy. Now, thank you so much for watching, everybody. Because Sapper Comes to Animations is responsible for battle clips. Now, thank you so much for watching Sapper Comes to. Please make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.